How to get your Airtel Mastercard for digital payments online easily without a bank account. Just use your SIM card for payments online. It will act as a credit card and everything. So first download the My Airtel app on Google Play. But as you can see, mine is already downloaded, so I'll just open it. So it will load. As you can see, it's open. So from here, I will tap on View Mastercard. View your Clean Pay card. That's the Mastercard. So then here you'll enter your PIN to unlock it. Then as you can see, it's loading your card details. And as you can see over there, those are my transactions so far that I've made with the Mastercard. As you can see, I also paid for CapCut with it without having to go to a bank or using an actual credit card. So to add money to it, just click Top Up Card. Then you select any amount that you want. You can either type or just select. Then after that, click Top Up Card. Then you click on Proceed. Then you enter your mobile money PIN, and then that money that you've selected will go to the Momo card. So let me show you my SMS to confirm that the money has gone to the Airtel Momo card or Mastercard. As you can see there, it is saying I've deposited that money. So yeah, after that you can use that money for anything, including paying for Netflix.